Hello, the internet! This is Scott here with Scott's Mad Science More. Today, I'm going to be answering the 20 most Googled questions on the internet in under 4 minutes. Can it be done? Let's find out. Time starts now. Starting off with number 20, how to lose weight fast. Well, it's actually quite simple. All you have to do is just move to another planet. For those of you who don't know, weight is actually a function of gravity. Different gravity on different planets. So all you have to do is just go and to a place with less gravity, then you have less weight. That's simple. How old is Donald Trump? 72? Number 18, how to screenshot on a Mac. Command Shift 4. How to download YouTube videos. I'm actually not sure about this one. Next one, number 16, how to get pregnant. Next question, number 15. Can I run it? No, of course you can't. You cannot run anything. What do you think this is, a computer? What is my IP address? Number 14. But you wouldn't have heard any of that because I just bleeped it out loud in post. Number 13, when is Father's Day? It was June 16th this year. How many weeks in a year? 52. How many ounces in a gallon? 128. Number 10, how many ounces in a pound? 16. When is Mother's Day? May 12th, 2019. Number 8, how many ounces in a cup? This actually conveniently coincides because there are actually 8 ounces in a cup. Very interesting. Number 7, how to lose weight. I just answered that back at the beginning of the video. Number 6, what song is this? I don't know your personal music tastes and preferences. Number 5, can you run it? I don't know, can you? Will you? May you? Number 4, how to tie a tie. Well, you take a tie, you knot it. I don't know, I'm not going into how to tie a Windsor in this video, that's beyond the scope of it. Go Google it. Number 3, how to register to vote. Well, it's actually a rather simple process. You fill out a form, you send it into your local county, you have them register you to vote, you have to join a party, so on and so forth. I don't know all the details, I'm not old enough to vote yet. What time is it? Well, at the time of recording, it's 3:59. Number 1, what is my IP? I already told you it's... Why do you keep asking? Alrighty, well that certainly was interesting with all 20 of those questions answered in hopefully under 5 minutes. Final time up there. To thank you for your viewership and encourage you to hit this like button. It helps me out. If you really liked it, be sure to subscribe, share this video with all of your friends. It is greatly appreciated and helps me as a creator grow on YouTube and develop a presence. Thank you for all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.